Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money with Cpagrip content locker, and you can make as much as you want on a daily. It's all up to you. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in this method, you want to go to Google and type in PLR ebooks. Alright. So once you do that, you want to make sure you want to go for the first link. It's important. So once you click on that, the page opens up real quick. All right, and you can see these are a lot of ebooks. A lot of ebooks to be downloaded for free. All right, so I'll be showing you example of how you're going to use this to make money. All right, so you want to keep scrolling till you find any article that you like. All right, and you can see you can keep on doing this all day, as they have a lot of free articles that people will be willing to go through a content locker to get for free. All right, so we're going to be using this one as an example. All right, so let's create a new URL locker real quick. All right, you want to come down to monetization tools and click on URL file locker, and you click on create a new locker. Continue. All right, so what you're going to do now is you want to delete this and then click on this image icon, and then go back to the PLR article we want to use. And then you want to right click and copy the image address, then you paste it, submit, and you want to refer. All right, you can see it looks super clean. All right, so let's see what it looks like on mobile. You can see it's clean. All right, and you can see with this template there are free comments just to put in some social proof right there. All right, as you can see, there are free comments, so they will need to complete the whatever number of offers you want. If you want them to complete 2 offers, 3 offers, whatever number you want, but usually the maximum is 3. All right, so you can set it at that. And then click on create. All right, so yeah, definitely I almost forgot, you have to include a link to whatever you want the user to download after they complete the offer. Like I said, this is free to download. Once you log in, you will be able to download this for free. So, and you can repeat the same process for other articles. You can see this is one for Facebook Messenger. This is one for top juicing recipe. Like I said, if you click on it, it's literally free to download. You ain't paying nothing at all. It's free to download. So once you download that, you can upload on Google Drive and then paste the link right here, and then you can create your locker. All right, so once you create your locker, it's that simple. all you need to do is click on get links, and you can customize the link as you want, and you can name it as, natural true remedies. Yeah, and you can copy that. You can see this is the page, and these are the comments. All right, you can do this, repeat this method for any articles you find on this page, and you can click on the next page. There are more articles to be downloaded and logged for free. All right, you can see more articles for free, and people will definitely complete your lockers to download these articles. So all you need to do is follow the exact process that I used to lock these articles, and you will be making money with it. You can promote this on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube comments, or you can make a YouTube video about it. You can also promote it on Twitter as well. I hope you find value in this video, and if you do, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, of course, if you want to see more valuable content like this. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.